Welcome to the world of Induss, the world pioneers in parboiling technology with more than 45 years of experience and 3,500 automatic and semi-automatic plants in operation. Induss is truly the global rice engineer. Induss now introduces PLC temperature-controlled husk furnace for both raw and parboiled paddy. Husk is fed to the furnace through PLC-controlled screw conveyor. The husk quantity is based on the temperature required in the dryer. Hot air ranging from 60 to 170 degrees Celsius flows into the dryer. The burnt husk comes out white in color and in cold condition through efficient burning. The husk consumption in the furnace is 20% less than the boiler. One furnace can operate multiple dryers. Come, let's join hands and experience the state-of-the-art technological excellence in parboiling by Induss, the rice engineers.